Welcome back again. You know how it is. You know what time it is. It's that time. So check it out. We're gonna make some sweet treats today. I thought my mouth's full. I'm eating. We're gonna be making some sweet treats, and plus we're gonna be making them colorful. Gonna make a not a rainbow bread, but a colorful bread and some colorful treats. We have our milk here. We have our egg. We have our flour. We have our salt. We have our yeast. We have some baking soda or baking powder, I should say. Cinnamon, almond extract, condensed milk, which I switched out for the milk. So we're just gonna get into it. So first, let's start with the milk. I have my warm milk here. I have my warm milk there. I also have my butter, which I had in the microwave. I'm gonna pour my butter inside, melted butter. Along with the melted butter, I'm gonna add my eggs. Along with the eggs, I'm gonna add my salt. Along with that salt, I'm gonna go ahead and add some yeast. Along with the yeast, and I just want to take my little time and mix that in. Along with the yeast, I'm gonna add some sugar to that. It helps to activate the yeast. So I'm just gonna add not too much, just a little sugar. And I want to spice up my bread right away, so I'll just go ahead. Ooh, that cinnamon, it didn't get away. It's perfect. So right now, I'm just gonna mix that right in. That water is nice and brown. Just trying to whisk away some of that lumps left from the cinnamon. You don't want no lumps with it. As you can see, all of that whisk and looking good. Some nice ASMR sounds. So now that we got that ready, it's time for some baking powder. Not too much. And then we're gonna add a little vanilla extract to that. A little, just a drop. We're gonna whisk that again. I wanna make sure you're getting everything together. And that smells so good. You can smell the spice. I would grate some nutmeg into it, but I might leave that for later. So now that's ready. We're gonna start adding our flour, and we're gonna start mixing it in. So what you wanna do, you wanna slowly, I mean that's not too slow, but yeah, slowly mix it in. Mind my noise. You don't want that too water. You don't want it too dry. You want to make nice fluffy treats. Nice fluffy treats. Almost look like a cake right now. But what you do, you keep adding your flour. Keep turning that bad boy over. It's just gonna soak up all that water. It's gonna take all that flour and turn it wet. You just want to keep adding a little flour, little by little, until it gets where you want it to go. Remember, no rush. Nothing is ever a failure, and failures can only make you stronger. And that's a fact. If you never fail, you never learn. That's the consistency you want. Get all of that dry stuff. Gonna sprinkle a bit more. Again, you just wanna get it to that point where it's not too sticky and it's not too dry. And it's almost there. Trying to get all of that off the sides. Pretty soon I'll have to use my hand, but for now this wooden spoon is doing the trick. Now that we got it there, we are ready. We're just gonna take that off like that. Still a little bit wet. Just gonna add some more. We're gonna kind of roll it around there. But it's now time to use the hand. I had to roll up my sleeve for this one. So right now I'm gonna have my assistant. Actually, I'm good. So we're gonna switch pans right now with this one. Basically, you wanna get another pan, move that away. You wanna oil that baby up. Have some leftovers from the melted butter. Just gonna oil that baby up all over the pan. I'm also gonna get some virgin olive oil, put in my hand so the flour doesn't stick in my hand. So now I'm just gonna roll this together. Sticky. I want it that sticky. As you can see, it's nice and soft. I want to keep it nice and soft. So all these things I'm making, I want them nice and soft. When they come out, they'll be nice and crispy, but still soft. So I'm gonna rub that oil in my hand right now. Just gonna mold it. Just gonna mold it. Ask my assistant to get me some oil. Assistant is gone, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some oil on there. Just gonna go around with it a few times. Turn it into a ball. See that? Now that needs to swell. That needs to raise. So we're gonna leave that in the pan. I'm gonna wash my hands really quickly. Alright, now that we got that ready, what we're just gonna do right here, we're just gonna cover it. We're gonna put that aside for like 30 minutes, and that shall do its thing. We're gonna clean the table up. So when we come back, you know, we just get down to business. So for now, we're just gonna check out the pot. These colors will go in. We have that over there raising, and we'll be back. So now that we got the ball on the road, I'ma do that one thing that Mike Tyson, like big up Mr. Mike Tyson. Pow! Gotta do it, man. Gotta do it. Look at that. That's it. Handmade at home. So now we're gonna start the process. We're gonna take this baby out. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Yeah. So what I wanna do basically, I'm gonna show you right now. So basically I need to color code these. So I'm just gonna chop them up. Not as fancy as everybody else, so just do it how I do it. So first I'm gonna get the first color. I'm gonna dip. Again, I'm not as fancy as other people. I just do things on the fly, do it how I can do it. If you're doing it, please do it the right way. This might not be the right way for you. You might need to be more organized than I am. So yeah, that's inside. So I'm just gonna put this aside. I'm gonna get another color, just blue. Dip that in. It's not as blue as it should be, but it should work. I know I'm getting messy. So I just want to get that bread blue. Some color. See how nice and soft that bread is. Just gonna put that aside too. Just gonna clean it like that. I'm gonna get some oil on my hand because it's a little bit wet. When it's wet, it gets sticky with that bread. So now I'm gonna get that green. Mix that around a little. Toss that in. Sorry, now I'm a little far. Do that again. Nice. So now that I got those colors ready, let's start making some adjustments. First I gotta wash my hand again. Just want to roll that out. But before we do that, let's go ahead and give this bread pan a nice little dip. We'll even use a little bit of virgin. You don't want that to stick. Pull that bread out of the pan. So now that we have that ready, we're just going to toss a little flour down. Be salty with it if you want. Just a little salt shaker. You just roll this up into a ball. My aim is not necessarily to get it flat, but to get it rolled out. As you can see, it's fluffy and it's trying to rise at the same time. So now that I got that like that, I'm just going to roll it back together like this. As you can see, those multicolors. So now with those multicolors, I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to put one like that. I'm going to put one right there. Then for the other color. Just need some oil on my hand. And then maybe some more. Don't worry about that, I'll get that. Then I'll need some flour. Once the flour is there, roll it over twice. Stick that right in there. One on each other. Get that oil on my hand. Little salt shaker. Spin that baby around 2 times. Roll them out. I got that ready. Stuff that in nice and good. Here we're doing a little condensed milk with a little virgin olive oil. This really goes on after, but I just want to baste it a little, just a little bit of it. And I put it inside. Good. So yeah, now we're just gonna plastic wrap that and put it aside for a second, let it rise again a little, and then we'll be back. Guys, that's the bread. Tell you, it's crazy. Yeah, gonna want some of that. Come eat it. Come eat it. Come take it now. Come take it. Come take it. I'm messing with you guys, but like, share, and subscribe from the channel. You know it goes. Eat that.